This video is going to explain how to establish a data connection using the 4G modem on the Andino X1 and Andino I/O boards. The data connection on the modem enables fast transfer speeds via LTE. Thus, the modem needs to be connected to the Raspberry Pi via USB to enable high bandwidth communication. To set up the connection, you first need to insert the SIM card. For a tutorial on how to do this and how to open the housing, please visit the video that is linked here. Afterwards, we can proceed to install all necessary software. First, log into your Pi using SSH, I did this via PuTTY on Windows, and then run sudo-i, since all of the commands that we need to run actually require root privileges. The first thing we need to do is update the software on our Pi by running first apt update, and after that by running apt upgrade. In my case, all the packages are already at the newest version. Now we need to install the QMI tools. To do so, run apt install libqmi-utils and udhcpc. When prompted, confirm with yes. After the installation is complete, we first need to reboot the Pi. To do so, run reboot now. After the Pi has rebooted, we now need to do a bug fix in the QMI software and also add raw IP support for QMI. And to do so, we need to edit a file. To edit the file, run sudo nano/usr/bin/qmi-network and hit enter. In this file, hit control underscore and now enter a line number that we need to jump to. And we actually need to jump to line number 337. Enter that and hit enter. Here we need to change a few little things. First off, go to this line and after the section APN, add comma IP-type equals 4. We also need to go above setup data format, enter a new line, and here we need to put echo y sys/class/net/wwan0/qmi/raw_IP. And this will add raw IP support. All of the things that need to be changed are of course also available in the video description or on our written guide on andino.systems. Afterwards, hit Ctrl O to save the file and then hit Ctrl X to exit. As the last part of the setup process, we now need to configure the ATM of our service provider. And to do so, we also need to edit a file. Run sudo nano/etc/qmi-network.conf. In this new file, we now need to enter our APN information, and this depends on your service provider, and this can easily be found out by just googling APN and followed by the name of your service provider. In my case, I need to enter the following: APN equals and then the address of the APN, APN_user, and then the username of the APN, and finally APN_pass, and then the password of the APN. Finally, also press Ctrl O to save, and then Ctrl X to cancel out of the file. The main setup process of the modem is now complete. The interface can now either be started manually or automatically when the Pi is booted. If you're only interested in the automatic section, jump ahead to the timestamp that is now written in the video. To start the interface manually, run the following commands. And all of these commands of course need sudo privileges, so first run sudo-i. The first command is ifconfig wwan0 down. Now run echo y /sys/class/net/WWAN0/raw-_IP. Now run ifconfig WWAN0 up. And now finally the network can be started by running qmi-network/dev/cdc-wdm0 start. The interface should now be seen in ifconfig. If you want to start the interface automatically, first reboot the Pi. After the Pi has started again, edit the following file: sudo nano/etc/network/interfaces.d/wwan0. Here you need to enter a few lines, and these lines will of course be in the video description as well as on andino.systems. Once you have added all the lines, press Ctrl O to save the file, and then Ctrl X to exit out of the file. And finally, reboot once again. After having rebooted, the new interface should now also be visible in ifconfig. The functionality of the network can now be tested by running either route-n. The interface should now also show up in the routing table of the Pi. And finally, of course, we can try to ping an IP address on the internet to test the functionality. If there is a problem, you can use the following commands for debugging purposes. And more information on this will also be available in the written guide on andino.systems. Thank you for watching this video on establishing an internet connection using the 4G modem.